Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's continue with our Python pandas series, and today we have a very interesting small case study based on which we'll be solving 5 questions, and these questions will definitely going to help you in your data visualization journey, whether it's matplotlib or seaborn. And we are using different kinds of charts like bar chart, line chart, and pie chart, which are basically being used in the industry trends when solving the real world problems. So yeah, we have a very small data set, and this data set you can get from the description. I will add it, and you can also practice along with me. So let's understand the data set. We have the month, sales, profit, expense, and region, out of which sales, profit, and expenses are the integer column, and month and region are the object column or the character column, that is the string. So we have created this particular data frame, and based on the data set that we have, now we will solve some question. So first question, it has been given that you will have to solve it using the bar chart. That is, we need to find the total sales for each month. Okay, so for that, we will directly be using the code like we need the bar chart. So plt dot bar, and inside this, we need to pass df of what month, because it is said month wise. So df of month, comma, df of sales, and we will be passing, let's say, color equal to what, sky blue. We will keep the code very minimal and clean. Now let's set our title for our chart. Plt.title is equal to total sales for each month, and in the x label we will be having a pat.x label, and inside this we will be having the month. Similarly, we'll be having the pd.y label. Here we'll be having the sales, and lastly, show the report. Okay, let's run it. I hope it will run. So yeah, it run very perfectly. It is showing from January to June because we have only 6 months data, and based on that, it is saying the total sales for each month. Perfect. Now let's go to the next, that is the line chart. That is, we need to show the trend of monthly reports, and that should be shown by the line chart. Okay, so most of the things we can copy from here. If you can simply copy and paste it, and here instead of this plt.bar, we will be using plt.plot function, and inside this we have to use df of month, and instead of this sales, what we need is profit, and let's set a marker is equal to a small o, and color equal to green. So basically for the line chart, we just need to use plt.plot instead of plt.bar or plt.py, and the rest of the things we need to send trend of monthly profits. So we'll change this as trend of monthly profits, and in the x label we'll be having month, in the y label we'll be having the profit. Okay, cool, let's run it. So yeah, we have got the a nice output, which is a line chart having the markers for each month. Perfect. Let's go to the third question, which is again a bar chart, and here we need to compare the sales and expenses of each month. Okay, let's do it in some other way. Like I will do, first I will set some width is equal to 0 0.4. This is dynamic, you can do any what, and I will first take np dot a range function, and this will give, inside the a range function I'm passing length of month. Now plt dot bar x minus, we're doing some calculation inside the bar plot only, so x minus width by 2, comma, df of sales, comma, width is equal to width, label is equal to sales, and color is equal to blue. And again we'll be passing plt.bar, and inside this we will be passing, instead of x minus width by 2, it will be x plus width by 2, comma df of expenses. Okay, and then we'll be having again width is equal to width. You'll be able to understand in a little moment why I'm writing this code. And label is equal to expenses, and color is equal to, let's say, orange, and close the braces. And we'll be having, let's say, pld dot x ticks this time. This is one of the another parameter of bar chart, and x comma df of month. Now let's set some title. Simply copy it from the above and paste it here. And we are setting a title called sales versus expenses by month. Sales versus expenses by month. And in the X label we have month. In the Y label we are having amount. Okay, and pld.legend, let's we keep a legend this time. Perfect, let's run it. Ouch, we are not getting any output. It is saying set called an unexpected argument called label. I think we are acha acha. Okay, it should be not label, it should be label, SALABEL. Now run it. See, we have got an amazing output in which for each month we have got two different bars which says for the sales and expenses. And this is something very, looks very fantastic. And this is how you can actually do it. You can change the color of the bars according to you also. No hurry in that. So yeah, let's go to the fourth question, which is a pie chart this time. And we need to find the proportion of profits for each month in a pie chart. Okay, so plt dot, this time we'll use pie, and inside this we'll be passing the parameters called the profit. And what else we need? We need the labels is equal to df of month, comma, then we need auto pct is equal to percentage 1 comma 1 f, and again percentage symbol, and this should be inside this. And let's set start angle is equal to 90 degree, and color is equal to plt.cm. This is a inbuilt function, that is plt.paired colors, paired dot colors. Now will set the title plt dot title, and inside this we'll say profit proportion by month. Now let's show. Cool, let's run it. Okay, it's saying incomplete format. Okay, let's see once again. plt.py, inside this we need to pass df of profit comma labels is equal to df of month, because on month wise. And we are setting auto pct is equal to percentage 1.1 f percent. Acha, we are missing one percentage more. And start angle is equal to 90, color is equal to this. Let's run once more. I think we should get, yeah, we have got the perfect output. and which shows a pie chart along with the proportion in the form of a percentage for each month starting from January to June. Perfect. Now let's solve the last question of today's video, which is a line chart, and this shows that we need to write a code to give the output on the trend of expenses over the months. Okay, so since it is a line chart, we'll be using plt dot plot function, and inside this we'll be passing month comma df of expenses comma marker is equal to o and color is equal to red. And after that we have to set up title as trend of monthly expenses, so trend of monthly expenses, and x label will be month, y label will be expenses. So yeah, let's run it. I think we'll get the output. Okay, no plt, so it will be plt dot plot, not plt dot pplot. Cool, we have got one amazing output for the trend of monthly expenses using the line chart, having the markers for each month starting from January to June. So yeah, this is how you can actually solve. We have actually solved 5 different questions, and this actually tests your visualization skills about what the different parameters you can use. And make sure to practice these kind of questions, and in the next videos I will come up with more such questions, and I have planned to make some around 50 to 60 questions on visualizations using different types of data sets, and we will be solving those. And make sure to subscribe the channel to get the latest update, and share this channel with someone who is actually preparing for data analyst interview. Thank you guys, have a good day, keep coding.